Well, hey there, my friend. I am so glad you're back to another week on my channel. Did you see this wreath we made a couple of weeks ago? I'm actually giving it away. All you have to do is make sure that you've given this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell. There will be a link to enter in the description, and that's it. Good luck. All right, so last week, I wanted to see if you saw this video. I'll link it in the description below in case you missed it. But it was so fun doing the paint pour project on this Heart Wreath blank from the Dollar Tree. And this week I want to do something a little different with that same wood blank from Dollar Tree, using also a Dollar Tree supplies. So this week we're going to take that wood blank and the Dollar Tree stickers. So these are the tile stickers. You can find them down the aisle with the other wallpaper sticker pieces, as well as a few other designs in these exact wall sticker tiles. So I'm going to put this one in the center of the heart shape. Again, this is got a design on it, so I'm just trying to make sure that it is going to all fit and work on this piece. And I'm just using 2 of the stickers. So I'm taking a straight edge knife from Dollar Tree as well, and just cleaning up the edges of the sticker around the wood blank. Now be careful, this is just MDF, so I kind of started cutting off some of the wood piece. So just kind of make sure that you have the grooves right when you are removing the stickers. So once you have all of the excess removed, I'm going back to the second sticker and just trying to figure out, how I'm going to make this work. I was a little nervous, but with most crafts, you can just trust your gut and it usually works out. So I'm going to just take the pointy tip of the end of it and go ahead and stick it to the bottom of the heart, leaving the rest of the sticker on the panel. I just feel like it's going to make it easier for me to work with. And then I just gave it a little snip on both sides with scissors to get it started. And then I'm going to go back with that same X-Acto knife and just cut the strip to fit. This is the moment of truth. Yep, it worked perfectly. I absolutely love when things work out, don't you? Just had to trim it a little bit down at the bottom. And then I'm left with the rest of the sticker. I went ahead and took it completely off the backing and just placed it, I'm actually eyeballing it because, again, I wasn't sure where all the pieces were going to fit, and ultimately decided to start on the left-hand side of the heart, and I placed it there. I'm just going to trim it again. This part is so fun. I love trimming it because it's so satisfying to see how, boom, it comes right off and it makes the perfect little pattern onto the heart. So this is just an alternative to painting your wood blank or decoupaging your wood blank. There are so many things you can do to it. You could stain it. You could add other kinds of stickers, but I decided that this would work great. Look at that. It's like a puzzle, y'all. I'm just slowly adding it here and there to the front. And I love that it's a sticker because it makes it super easy to manipulate. And so I'm just cutting it down a little bit on the side, again, to try to fit all the pieces. Again, it didn't fit perfectly, so I'm going to just trim it a little bit more. And then boom. Yay, it worked. And then flipped it over, trimmed it off again. We are almost done. It is all fitting together, coming together again, just like a puzzle. Any place where you don't feel like it's got a straight enough edge, you can just cut the edge first, then place it back down. I wasn't too picky about the pattern once I got the middle on. The rest was just making sure the sticker fit and it would cover. And so once it does, I'm so glad. So this is the heart with all the sticker on it. I'm going to add a little piece of foam wreath from Dollar Tree. It's like a half a wreath to the back. This is kind of a hack in order to add florals and not have to take up the whole front of your heart shape. I absolutely love this. And I'm just dipping it into my Surebonder pot with the hot glue. I'm prepping the hole with just that little tool from Dollar Tree. It's an embossing tool, and you could use anything. You could use a toothpick. a not a toothpick, well, a toothpick or ice pick. That's what I was trying to say, an ice pick. Anything with a sharp edge would be great just to kind of get it started, because these little fronds from Dollar Tree are very delicate and they weren't able to just stick right in there. So stick around to the end. Speaking of sticking, stick around to the end, because I am going to show you multiple other really cute Valentine's wreath ideas, all using Dollar Tree supplies. You're going to want to see those for sure. So this is just a fun way to add florals to a design like the wood blank. You can always add one of these to the back of a pizza pan, the back of a tray. Any shape of these wood blanks would work as well. I absolutely love this little hack. So I glued all of those in, and then I manipulated them to go each direction on the wreath, which you will see. And then I'm adding a few florals. These are the hydrangea picks, and I'm just kind of gluing those down as well. Trying to be patient, letting that hot glue dry before going on to the next piece. I am loving the tile look. You guys, look at how pretty it is. Look at that blue and silver pop. I just absolutely love it. And again, I'm just showing you how I'm starting the hole with that little embossing tool, and then I'm adding some hot glue to the base of this little hydrangea pick, and then I'm placing it down in there, making sure that it sticks and making sure that it's going to stay. And then I'm just filling in with a few extras. So once I have this part, I decided to add a little bit of bling. You know, I can't leave it alone. I got to add some sparkle. Absolutely love that. And then, of course, we have to have a way to hang it. So I'm going to hot glue some ribbon to the very back of the heart blank. Now, you notice the holes there. They're covered up with the sticker, which is perfect. Absolutely love that. Now we have the hanger on the back. And then I ended up making a bow. You see that kind of off to the right hand side of the screen there. I'm going to add that to the bottom of the florals, and this is how it looks all together. This is the ribbon bow, the florals, the sparkly center with the butterfly. That's how all of the tile stickers look. I love it. Here's the other ideas. This one is a gnome. We've got a heart-shaped wreath with lunch sack bag roses. And of course, the braided nautical rope wreath. That one went a little bit crazy viral. We've got the mop wreath and some paper heart wreaths. If you like videos like these, my friend, be sure to click that button and watch the next video with me. And until next time, be sure to stay creative.